All right. So lastly, I forgot to mention this is basically an honorable mention. I should have actually put it in with the sensitive mask that you could use on clients, but like I said, is some of the times I use it, sometimes I don't because it's potent and some people are allergic to certain aromatherapy. We're going to add in. Once you have it all mixed, we're going to apply it to the face. But look at her face after we did everything and see, look at that super glowing, super, oof, man, the mask, I tell you. A little drippy. Once you apply it to the entire face, you're going to take it off with, I would use a warm towel, if not lukewarm to cold, because it is for sensitive person. If you put another hot towel over the face, it's going to seep in even further. And if somebody does have a allergic reaction to tea tree or lavender or whatever aromatherapy you're going to use, then yes, it's going to seep into the skin even further and irritate their skin. Not in the worst way, but just some people's skin tone turns red or bright like crab red, and they're fine. They're not itching, they're not hurting. But once they look in the mirror, it's like, oh, what did you do? I feel totally fine, but my skin tells another story. So that's why this sensitive skin mask I would only use on somebody who actually really has sensitive skin to where they can actually take this type of mask. And I would do a patch test, which means I would put a little bit of this mask on the side of the ear and wait 30 seconds just to see how the skin reacts. And if it doesn't react crazy, then go for it. But if it does turn bright red just from that patch test, then don't go forward with it. Okay. So this was just an honorable mention because I love it. I love the rose clay. I love how it goes on. It smells wonderful and it's soothing to me. And if I had sensitive skin, this is what I would want. So that's why I mention it now. And so I want to apply it to the face. I should have taken care of years ago and bit me in my ass later in life. And what we're doing now is showing everybody how to protect their face from the sun. So you still need to use your sunscreen, your oils, or whatever you're going to do to protect. And then you still need something to go around your eyes if you're going to be driving for a long time, if your job requires it, if your job has you outside, if you are, if you have to totally look at the sun for like more than 10 minutes straight without having some sort of squint, but you can at least block it out as much as possible. So here it's just an eye soothing mask. So when you have a hard day at work, when you're looking at that computer screen for too damn long, for hours on end, oh, all those coders and programmers, and or just chest massage, arm massage for your client, and let them just relax. Take out that stress. Stress, oh, is a motherfucker. So if you can get rid of the stress and protect your skin and your life and all the other good stuff from these harmful people out here and toxins, you will do well. You will age well. You live to 192 like I'm going to live, like a vampire. So enjoy yourself. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Just let me know when you have time, because I'm done all the mat. We don't need to do this crap anymore.
We sure we can do an exchange though if you want at some point.
Yeah, just let me know. Or at least can I get a healing period? Just like maybe.
Oh my gosh, yes. What? Yeah, you're good. Yeah, we'll definitely let you just relax and chill and heal.
And then our benefits. I gotta get a job.
Ooh, I like this setting.